Hey homeowners, looking to elevate your kitchen to luxury status? Let's dive into 5 modern design ideas that'll transform the heart of your home. Brought to you by Kitchens by Woody's in Huntington, West Virginia. First up, Quartz Countertops. These bad boys are not just stunning, but also super durable. They come in a variety of colors and are non-porous, making them resistant to scratches, stains, and heat. Perfect blend of elegance and practicality. Next, custom cabinetry. Imagine personalized design, superior quality, and enhanced functionality all in one. Think soft close drawers, pull-out shelves, and built-in organizers. It's all about maximizing storage and style. Third, let's talk about the Waterfall Island. This creates a seamless and luxurious look. Use high-quality materials, integrate your appliances, and add some seating. It's not just a centerpiece, it's a statement. Now let's brighten things up with lighting fixtures. From pendant lights and chandeliers to under-cabinet and recessed lighting, the right lighting enhances ambiance, highlights features, and provides functional illumination. Light it up, folks. Lastly, open shelving. It's all about accessibility, personalization, and space saving. Use high-quality materials and finishes to complement your kitchen's design. Show off your style. So, ready to transform your kitchen into a luxurious and functional space? Kitchens by Woody's specializes in creating sophisticated kitchens tailored just for you. Contact Kitchens by Woody's at 304-814-2268 or visit them in Huntington, West Virginia. Check out their website for more inspiration. Let Kitchens by Woody's help you create the kitchen of your dreams with exceptional craftsmanship and dedication to quality. Elevate your kitchen, elevate your life.